What if I told you that your relationship with time could be the secret to unlocking your happiest life? Dive in as we explore the fascinating world of time perspectives and how they shape everything from your choices to your happiness. Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a book that could completely change the way you view time, and in turn, transform your life. We're talking about The Time Paradox by Philip Zimbardo and John Boyd. This book explores how our perceptions of time influence our behavior, decision-making, and overall happiness. If you're passionate about psychology, self-improvement, or just curious about how time impacts your life, stick around and make sure to subscribe for more in-depth content. Let's start by understanding what Zimbardo and Boyd mean by time perspective. Essentially, it's the way we mentally categorize our experiences into past, present, and future. Our time perspective affects how we react to different situations and how we make decisions. 1. Past positive. Those who are past positive focus on the good times and positive memories from their past. They derive joy and satisfaction from these reflections, often using them as a source of inspiration and comfort. 2. Past negative. On the flip side, past negative individuals concentrate on past regrets and mistakes. This can lead to feelings of sadness or bitterness, impacting their present and future outlook. 3. Present hedonistic. Present hedonistic people live for the moment, seeking immediate pleasure and avoiding pain. They often disregard long-term consequences in favor of instant gratification. 4th. Present fatalistic. Those with a present fatalistic perspective believe that their lives are predetermined and out of their control. This can lead to a passive attitude where they feel resigned to their fate. 5. Future-oriented. Future-oriented individuals prioritize long-term goals, planning, and achievements. They are often willing to sacrifice present pleasures for future success and rewards. 6. Transcendental future. Finally, the transcendental future perspective involves focusing on life after death or spiritual existence beyond the present life. It's about thinking beyond the here and now. Now let's delve into the science behind these perspectives. Zimbardo's research reveals that our time perspective affects our behavior and decisions in profound ways. One of the most well-known studies mentioned in the book is the marshmallow experiment conducted by Walter Mischel. Children were given a choice: eat one marshmallow now or wait and receive 2 marshmallows later. The results showed that those who could delay gratification, who were able to focus on the future, tended to have better life outcomes. They scored higher on academic tests, faced fewer behavioral problems, and exhibited greater self-control. This study highlights the power of future-oriented thinking. It demonstrates how delaying gratification and focusing on long-term rewards can lead to more successful outcomes. So, how can we apply these concepts in our own lives? Let's explore some practical applications. 1. Goal setting. For those who are future-oriented, it's crucial to set clear, achievable goals. Use tools like planners, apps, and vision boards to keep track of your progress. By focusing on long-term objectives, you can stay motivated and achieve greater success. 2. Balancing perspectives. If you find yourself overly focused on the future, it's important to balance this with present enjoyment and past reflection. Schedule regular breaks, enjoy hobbies, and take time to appreciate positive past experiences. This balance can prevent burnout and increase overall well-being. 3. Improving relationships. Understanding your time perspective, and that of your partner or family members, can enhance relationships. For example, if you're future-oriented and your partner is present hedonistic, try to find common ground. Engage in activities that both of you enjoy and make time for spontaneous fun, while still working towards shared goals. 4th. Stress management. For those with a present fatalistic perspective, focusing on what you can control and setting small, achievable goals can reduce stress and increase a sense of empowerment. Developing a growth mindset can help shift your perspective from passive to active. I'd like to share a personal story about how understanding time perspectives has impacted my life. When I started my career, I was extremely future-oriented. I worked long hours, sacrificed personal time, and was constantly chasing the next achievement. While this drive helped me achieve a lot professionally, it also took a toll on my personal life and health. It wasn't until I started balancing my time perspectives that I began to feel more fulfilled. I started making time for hobbies, cherishing moments with family, and reflecting on past achievements. How about you? How does your time perspective shape your life? Share your stories and thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Zimbardo's ideas extend beyond personal development. They can address some of the world's biggest challenges. 1. Education. Understanding time perspectives can help educators design better programs. For instance, incorporating future-oriented goals can motivate students, while balancing this with present enjoyment can enhance engagement and learning. 2. Mental health. Therapists can use time perspective techniques to help individuals manage anxiety and depression. Focusing on positive past experiences, setting achievable future goals, and enjoying the present can provide a comprehensive approach to mental health. 3. Environmental conservation. By adopting a long-term, future-oriented perspective, we can encourage sustainable practices and address environmental issues more effectively. Emphasizing the future benefits of conservation can inspire collective action. Before we wrap up, let's go through a few exercises to help you understand and balance your time perspectives. 1. Time perspective. Questionnaire. Reflect on which time perspective you lean towards. Use Zimbardo's questionnaire from the book to assess your tendencies. Daily reflection. Spend a few minutes each day reflecting on past positive experiences, setting future goals, and enjoying the present moment. 3. Goal planning. Create a balance between short-term and long-term goals. Ensure you make time for immediate pleasures while working towards future achievements. To summarize, the time paradox offers powerful insights into how our time perspectives shape our lives. By understanding and balancing these perspectives, you can make better decisions, achieve your goals, and live a more fulfilling life. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.